There is a certain magic that falls over the Czech Republic in autumn, when the morning mist clings to ancient cobblestones and the forests ignite in shades of crimson and gold. This is the Great Bohemian and Moravian Loop. 5 days, over 1,000 kilometers, a solitary journey through the very heart of Central Europe. Our ride begins in Prague. On day 1, we leave the capital behind, riding east through the gothic shadows of the Sedlec ossuary in Krkonoše, before chasing the horizon across the sweeping Moravian plains toward Brno. Day 2 takes us south. We navigate the endless, rolling vineyards of Mikulov, carving our way toward the spectacular UNESCO World Heritage streets of Český Krumlov. As dawn breaks on day 3, we plunge into the deep, dark timber of the Šumava National Park, testing rider and machine through dense forests and unpredictable weather before resting in the historic spa town of Karlovy Vary. Day 4 demands precision. We weave through the towering, majestic sandstone pillars of Bohemian Switzerland, following the Elbe River Valley before a freezing night ascent to the towering peak of Liberec. And finally, day 5, a breathtaking push through the highest peaks of the Krkonoše Mountains, piercing through the sea of clouds, before bringing the journey full circle, returning to the neon glow of Prague at dusk. One rider, one heavily modified Honda Africa Twin. No music, no distractions. Just the rhythm of the road and the pure sound of the journey. Welcome to Czechia. That wraps up a beautiful trip. But the journey for 2465 Road Trip doesn't end here. Where will we ride the wind and conquer epic curves next? Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe to the 2465 Road Trip channel. See you on the road.